Hey guys, welcome to Luxe, your absolute favorite spot for all things hairstyles. Today we are talking about a style that is making a huge comeback, the pick and drop braids. If you love the look of a full bouncy wave but you still want the neatness and protection of braids at your roots, the pick and drop is the perfect hairstyle for you. But before you rush to your hairstylist, you need to choose the right hair extension for this braid. For that perfect bouncy finish, French curls extension is the absolute best choice right now. It gives you those smooth luxury curls right out of the pack. You can also use regular premium expression hair and curl the ends with hot water, or use high quality human hair bulk extension if you want something that lasts even longer and doesn't tangle easily. Here are a few quick tips to consider before you get these pick and drop braids. First, make sure your stylist doesn't braid the roots too tight, because pick and drop can feel a bit heavy if it's too full. Decide on the length. Since the ends are loose, super long styles require a bit more work to manage throughout the day. Now, I will be completely honest with you. As beautiful as pick and drop looks, you have to know how to take care of it. If you don't maintain it well, the ends can turn into a tangled nest after just 1 week, and we definitely don't want that for you. So how do you keep it looking fresh and expensive? Here is it. First thing is your night routine. Because the ends of the hair are completely loose, you cannot just sleep anyhow. Before your head hits the pillow, wrap your roots with a satin scarf to keep your parts neat, and then tuck all those beautiful loose curls inside a big satin bonnet. This simple step stops the coils from freezing up while you toss and turn at night. Next, detangling is a must. Every single morning, or at least every 2 days, use your fingers or a wide tooth comb to gently separate the loose ends. For me personally, my favorite trick is spray a little bit of water mixed with your favorite leave-in conditioner, or apply a light hair mousse. This keeps the coils popping, juicy, and completely knot-free. Lastly, please don't pack heavy creams or thick gels on your scalp. Keep it lightweight. Use a very little scalp oil instead to keep away dryness and itching, so your hair stays clean and smelling amazing. So, are you rocking pick and drop hairstyle? Are you rocking the pick and drop hairstyle this season? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing hairstyle inspirations and ideas. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.